thanks for retuning back into my channel. It's been a while between long videos. I do apologise. I have actually still been injured. My back had a bit of a relapse and I just haven't been able to get on the bike properly, so apologies for that. So the plan today is obviously I'm back on the Harley. I'm going to be heading down to Tooradin just to meet a couple of the guys down there. Destination unknown at the moment. A nice beautiful Saturday, so gonna head down there, see what the guys are up to. DJ, how you doing? Well, that was a pretty good coincidence. Just caught up with DJ. He's off out on a ride with some friends and I haven't really had a chance to catch up with him for a while. Been flat out busy at work, but yeah, anyway. Yeah, welcome back to the channel. I haven't really been out riding. I say I've been flat out busy at work. I've also had a bit of a back injury which reoccurred, so it's been a bit uncomfortable on the bike. So today's my first ride out for a while. Meeting up with Shippo and a couple of the guys from the Tooradin, so here we are at Tooradin at the moment, obviously. I'm going to go for a gentle mystery ride somewhere today. I don't know where we're going, but we are going somewhere, which will be good. It's nice to be able to head out for a change and not really have any kind of plan. Thanks for joining me again in my channel. I do appreciate it. Give me a like, give me a subscribe if this is your first time watching. It does help the channel grow. I'm not interested in making money. I just want to share my experiences with you guys. So, all right, catch you soon. Alright, so I'm out with the boys. We've got Mark, Joe, Shippo and me. Just going to take a little bit of a run down to, I think we're going to go to the pub out near Puwang maybe? I'm not sure. Anyway. It's nice to be at the back of the pack for a change actually. I'm usually the one leading, so. Oh, it's a bit chilly compared to what we've been used to. Feel that wind going right up my sleeves. It's very chilly in the morning. So yeah, not riding too far today, just the local pub, one of the country pubs. We're going to go and get a quick pint, something to eat for lunch on it. It's just nice to be on the Harley and riding again. Like I said, I had a bit of a back injury and it's it kind of come back and bit me again really, so I haven't been riding much. That's why I've only been uploading a few shorts here and there and playing around in the wife's Mustang and letting her have a drive of that and stuff. So I haven't really been able to do much on the bike. It's actually quite a painful lower back injury, so it was virtually impossible for me to ride the Harley, and even the Ducati was a lot more comfortable to ride, but I haven't really been out purely just because of the pain in my back. Although recently I did do some suspension adjustments on the Harley. I found out I've got the progressive shocks out there, and the progressive shocks are a lot better in regards to the actual suspension being a lot easier on my back. I actually found out that the suspension was wound up to the highest level, and that basically aggravated the hell out of my back. So I've actually wound the suspension back down a lot, and it's a lot better on the Harley now, even though being the Dyna it's still quite stiff compared to the Ducati. The suspension feels a lot better on my back, so I'm very happy with that. The Insta360 I'm still working on with the Harley at the moment, but that's by a different clamp, because I did try a little bit of Insta360 video the other week, just before my back started playing up again, and the clamp doesn't actually fit the Harley too well with the vibration and the handlebars and stuff. It kind of slipped and it didn't work that great, so I've ordered a new clamp. Hopefully that one's a little bit more versatile, works out a little bit better for us. So I'll try and get some Insta360 footage up of the Harley pretty soon. I've promised you guys a bit of a review of my bike. I still haven't done that. Apologies for that. I will get there. So I think for the minute I'll just enjoy the ride. Shut my yap, let you listen to the sound of the motor, and take you along with me to the pub. The Kernot store, we just got here. I thought I had my camera running as we was riding down the twisties to get here, and it wasn't. I turned it off. So never mind, I'll get the twisties on the way out. Let's go and get a quick bite to eat, quick drink in the store. Let's follow the Google box. Awesome, thank you. Oh, look at that.
Where Almeida was until we come past the road. Oh, that's better.
Wow, that's the stuff.
Because I was going to go and have a look at where she bought the house.
You don't want to floppy archer it is.
Oh, I do.
Fucking hard.
Dry them out with a bit of salt.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a cool little place. We just stopped here for a coffee and some brunch. And then bacon and egg, sorry, a BLT. And it was absolutely superb. Really nice place. Didn't even know it was here. Not too far from home. So yeah, Kernot. It's also got like evening meals and stuff in here, so it's pretty good. There's bikes outside the Kernot store. Yeah, really good, like really worth a visit. If you're ever up this way, check out the Kernot general store on the corner of the Kernot Glen Alvey Road. Really nice, good place to go. Alright, so we're just cruising now with the boys. They're going to head down, Shippo's out front leading. We're going to go to Comwack, which is a little town out in the middle of nowhere around the back of Boonah and out between Curran Burraway. We're headed there because he wants to take a picture of his bike outside the old Comwack service station, which is something to do with his heritage with his dad or something as well. So we're going to head there. It's kind of on our way home. So we also gave me the opportunity to start the camera up again and record some of this road. But I'm just cruising up behind Joe at the moment, so just making sure Joe's all good. Like I said earlier in the vlog, Joe's still cracking on the bike and he's really 80 so just making sure he's all good on the bike. It's all about the cruise and the ride. So yeah, it really is a good day. It's so nice to be just sitting at the back, cruising along, following everybody else, not having to worry about where I'm going, what I'm doing. Yeah, it's really good. Oh, hello. Well, I definitely haven't been this way before. Yeah. Bit of a gravel road section, eh? So join me on my next YouTube adventure of how to clean my bike. Oh guys, look at the view. Look at it. Oh, look, just amazing. Like, that is just truly fantastic. We're 5 minutes off the Conway. So yeah, so this brings us back out onto the other road, where I think we should have gone sort of straight left. Oh, I can see tarmac ahead, so that's all right. We should be back on the blacktop fairly shortly. Oh, there we go. Back on the blacktop. Right for Glenelby. This is the road here that I think we should have come in on. But that's all good. Oh, I know where